Class 8, we will continue with civics lesson 6, the role of the police and the court. In previous class, we studied about the police duties and the role of the judges. We have seen that there are three legislatures. That is, legislature makes laws and the executive executes the laws and the judiciary maintains law. And we have studied about the different duties of the police. They should protect the citizens and get them in confidence, and they should see that public is safe. And then the duty of the judge is to give the truthful judgment to the victim. Now today we will study about the administrative structure of the police. We will study about the administrative structure of the police. In this we will see how the structure of the police is divided state-wise. Every state is divided into district, and here in districts it is headed by the SP, that is Superintendent of Police. Superintendent of Police. In district, every district in police department, it is controlled by Superintendent of Police. And then these districts are divided in 5 or 6 circles. It is divided in 5 or 6 circles, and it is headed by it is controlled by DSP. Deputy Superintendent of Police. Then these circles are divided in, each circle has 10 police stations. Each circle has 10 police stations. Then each police station is controlled by Inspector of Police. And this Inspector of Police, he is assisted by Inspector of Police is assisted by Sub-Inspector, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Head Constable and Constable. And in bigger cities, it is controlled by commissioners, assistant commissioners, and deputy commissioners. So this is the administrative structure of the police of a particular state. Means we can see so many officials, so many police officials in one state. One state is divided into districts and it is controlled by SP, that is Superintendent of Police. Again, districts are divided in 5 or 6 circles and it is controlled by Deputy Superintendent of Police. Each circle has 10 police stations and each police station has Inspector of Police, and he is assisted by this Inspector of Police is helped by Sub-Inspector, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Head Constable and Constable. Then supposing under this police stations also, if the city, in bigger cities, if the city is very big, then it is the people who are allotted there are commissioners, assistant commissioners and deputy commissioners. So this is the structure of the police officials in state. Now we will study about the role of the public prosecutor.